In this video, I will show you how to add a blog to your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify dashboard and click on the Content tab from the left sidebar. Once you're there, look for Blog Posts and click on it. Now click on Create Blog Post, and this is where you'll start writing your first blog. Enter your blog title at the top, and for the content, you can either write it yourself or paste content you've prepared earlier. For this example, I'm just pasting a sample blog, but you should always try to personalize your content to make it more engaging. After adding the content, you can make edits like changing the store name or adjusting the text as needed. Next, scroll down and set the visibility to visible so your blog can be published. You can also add a featured image to make your post look more attractive and customize details like the author name if needed. Then choose which blog category you want this post in, such as news, or create a new one. You can also add tags to help organize your content. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now to make your blog accessible on your store, go to Menus. Open the main menu and click Add Menu Item. Name it something like Blog, then link it by selecting Blogs and choosing the blog you created. Add it and click Save. After that, check your store, and you'll see your blog is now live and accessible from the menu. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.